Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to repair broken plastic parts. So sometimes if you have like a crack or broken damage plastic parts that like a vehicle plastic parts like a buffer, rim cover or side mirror, some equipment that like a home use plastic equipment, sometimes if you have like a crack or damage you can use this method and you can repair and you can reuse by using this method. So here I have a vehicle rim cover. Then you can see here there's a crack and few small damage here. So I'm going to show you how to repair this one, and any plastic parts that you can use these methods to repair and reuse. Okay, now I'm going to repair this damage. You can see this rim cover has a crack over here, and I'm going to repair this one. So this is I'm using only example that if you have even like fully broken from here, and you still can use this method, and it's depend on the parts. I'm only using this one like example to repair this one and show you how to do this one. First of all, you need a soldering gun and aluminium tape, and also a piece of sanding paper, and as a filling material I'm using this small cable tie rope. So okay, now you can see this this damage. So you can see this damage here, and first of all you need to make it like a line, like exact like this, to become this upper surface and in like a exact level. And then take some piece of aluminium tape, put over the crack, okay. Now you can see I put this aluminium tape here. You can see the crack. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to sand in this one, because it needs some space, it needs some area to use the filling material. Okay, now clean the whole plastic dust and the dirty. Then without using filling material, now I'm using a soldering gun just only for to make a little bit melt the plastic piece, and it will like become bind. So once finished like that, take the your tie rope as a filling material,
now you can
little bit make it shape, and now you can see, just let it cool down a little bit. So once cool down, if you need, you can sand a little bit, make it good shape, but in this part we don't need, because this is not the facing side, this is the back side. So it's become very tight, it's become very strong. Okay, now I'm going to remove the aluminum tape. And you can see the only this is small line, and but it's not moving anymore because it's already welded together. Okay, I hope you can see now this is already repaired. I hope this video will helpful for you, and you can use this method for any plastic damaged plastic parts, for like crack or damaged plastic parts, for repair of those plastic, and you still can reuse the things. Okay, I hope you get an idea, and next time if you have this kind of issue, this kind of problem, and this kind of small damage or crack, you can repair it by yourself. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe my channel, and also don't forget to leave the comments below. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.